Hello. In this video, I will be explaining an issuing stock for assets other than cash problem that you might come across in your Accounting 2 class. Let's get started. Let's say that on April 5th, Finning Corporation, a wholesaler of hydraulic lifts, acquired land in exchange for 30,000 shares of $80 par common stock valued at $112 per share. How do you journalize the entry to record this transaction? First, put the date, so in this case it would be April 5th. Then put the accounts being affected, which are the land account, the common stock account, and the paid in capital in excess of par common stock account. The land account goes first because it is being debited as it is an asset that is increasing due to the transaction. To find the balance of the land account, you must multiply the total number of shares by the market value per share. So in this case, you would multiply 30,000 shares by $112, which comes out to $3,360,000 for the debit balance of the land account. The next account is the common stock account, and it is being credited as it is an equity account that is increasing. To find the balance of the common stock account, you must multiply the total number of shares by the par value per share. So in this case, you would multiply 30,000 shares by $80, which comes out to $2,400,000 for the credit balance of the common stock account. The final count being affected is the paid in capital in excess of par common stock account, and it is also being credited as it is also an equity account being increased. This account is all the excess money paid over the par amount. To find the balance of this account, you must multiply the total amount of shares by the difference between the market value and the par value. So, in this case, you should multiply 30,000 shares by the difference of $112 and $80, which comes out to $960,000 for the credit balance of this account. You could also find the balance of this account by subtracting $2,400,000 from $3,360,000. And there you have it. You now know how to do a simple issuing stocks for assets other than cash problem. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I hope the video explained everything that you needed to know.